Are you feeling overwhelmed by the sheer volume of emails in your Gmail inbox? The world is awash with emails. It's estimated that over 300 billion emails are sent and received daily, and Gmail is leading the pack with the most used email service. With such staggering numbers, it's crucial that we not just use Gmail, but handle our emails in it effectively. How to handle emails effectively in Gmail. Hi, I'm Allie from Hiver, and in this video, we're going to equip you with proven strategies to handle your emails effectively in Gmail. Today, we're going to explore how you can become a Gmail power user, make your inbox clutter-free, and ensure you never miss out on an important email. So are you ready to tame your inbox? Let's get started. Step 1. Categorize your emails using labels. Gmail replaces the traditional concept of folders with something much more versatile: labels. Unlike folders, one email can have multiple labels, offering a more dynamic way to categorize your emails. For instance, you might label a single email as Project X, To Do, and Important. Let's walk you through the steps to create a label. Open your Gmail account, click the plus symbol that you can find right next to labels, name the label, and click Create. Voila! You can now use the newly created label to organize your emails. Just open the email you want to label, click the Labels button, and select the label you want to use. But here's where the magic really happens. Gmail lets you create filters that automatically apply labels to incoming emails based on certain conditions. For example, you can create a filter to label all emails from your boss with priority. To create a filter, click the search bar at the top of Gmail, fill in your criteria, and then click Create Filter. Step 2. Make the most out of Gmail shortcuts. Did you know that Gmail has a bunch of shortcuts that can drastically speed up your email handling? Make sure to navigate to your settings and enable keyword shortcuts. To enable keyboard shortcuts, click on the gear icon located in the top right corner of the Gmail window. This will open the settings menu. In the settings menu, click on See All Settings. Scroll down to the custom keyboard shortcuts section. To enable them, click on the radio button next to Keyboard Shortcuts On option. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the Save Changes button to save your settings. Let's explore some essential keyboard shortcuts. P and N to navigate between messages in an open conversation. E to archive an email. R, A, and F to reply, reply all, and forward, respectively. Pound to delete an email. Don't worry if you can't remember all of them right away. With a bit of practice, these shortcuts will become second nature. Step 3. Extend Gmail's functionality with add-ons. There are numerous add-ons that can enhance your Gmail experience. For example, Grammarly can help you avoid common writing mistakes, while DocuSign lets you sign documents directly from Gmail. And you know what? Hiver just enhances your Gmail with shared inbox functionalities and makes collaboration much easier without having to switch to any other external applications. Want to make your emails more engaging? Try Giphy to add GIFs, stickers, and emojis to your messages. Also, don't forget to keep your add-ons to a minimum to maintain your Gmail's performance. Step 4. Harness the power of search operators. Gmail, coming from the creators of the world's leading search engine, naturally has powerful email search capabilities. Mastering search operators can drastically cut down the time you spend hunting for specific emails. Imagine you're looking for a particular email from your colleague John about an upcoming project. Instead of scrolling through pages of emails, you can simply type from John, subject, project in the search bar. Other handy operators include older and newer to search for messages older or newer than a certain time period. Step 5. Keep your inbox clean. A cluttered inbox can be overwhelming and makes it harder to find important emails. Strive for inbox zero, a state where your inbox is completely empty because all messages are organized. Start by unsubscribing from newsletters or updates you no longer read. Then use Gmail's labels and filters to categorize your emails effectively and archive or delete emails that you no longer need. You might even automate this process by setting up filters to automatically archive or delete certain types of emails. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to handle emails effectively in Gmail. By implementing these strategies, you can stay on top of your emails and avoid inbox overwhelm. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical guides. Let us know in the comments what other topics you want us to cover. Also, don't forget to check out our free productivity handbook for G Suite users. This guide provides more detailed instructions and tips to make the most of Gmail. Remember, mastering your email management in Gmail can save you a lot of time and make you more productive. See you in the next video.